Hello, my name is Paul Burnell. I'm a field service technician with Night Office Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to fix paper jams on mid-volume Lanier products. Please note that these instructions also apply to Ricoh and Savin models. When you experience a jam, check the paper path on the display to identify the area in which the jam occurred. Then open the appropriate door. Remove any visible jams by engaging the blue indicators at the side of the jam. If you cannot identify the side of the jam, pull down the blue handle to open the fuser gate near the top of the door. Please note that the fuser can get extremely hot, so be careful when moving jams from this area. If necessary, power off the machine and wait a few minutes while the fuser cools down. Then safely remove the jam. When removing jams, take care not to use any sharp objects that could damage the fuser. Grip the paper causing the jam and pull it out slowly in the direction of the paper path. When the jam is removed, make sure all guides are closed and back in place and close the door. Incorrect guides are one of the most common reasons for jamming and misfeeds. To check your guides, first pull out the appropriate paper tray and look to see if the paper is seated flush against the guides and the side of the tray. If it is not, adjust the guides using the green tabs. After you've adjusted the guides, close the tray. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful and that you'll come back whenever you have routine maintenance questions. If you have an issue that isn't covered in one of our videos, please feel free to give us a call and one of Night's experienced technicians will help get you back up and running in no time at all.